In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF in Slack. GIFs are a perfect way to express emotions, reactions, or simply add a bit of fun to your conversations. Today, let's walk through the steps to set it up so you can effortlessly share them in your Slack channels. First, let's head over to your web browser and navigate to Slack's official website. You can find it easily by entering Slack into your search bar. Once you are on the Slack homepage, you'll want to look for the Sign In option. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click Sign In with Google to access your workspace. Connecting through Google is an efficient way to keep everything streamlined and secure, so go ahead and authorize if prompted. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard, the main hub for all your communication. From here, we'll be able to start the process of adding GIF capabilities. Toward the side of your dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Add Apps. Click on this to begin integrating new tools into your workspace. In the app directory, browse for Giphy. This is a popular app that allows you to insert GIFs directly into your Slack conversations. It's highly favored for its vast library of animated images that can cater to just about any sentiment or moment you want to convey. Once you've located giphy, select it. You should see an install button. Give that a click. Installation might take a few moments, so be patient as everything sets up. After the installation is completed, you'll be prompted with an Add to Slack button. Clicking this will fully integrate Giphy into your Slack environment. With Giphy added, you will be able to search for GIFs right within Slack and share them with your team seamlessly. Now, as you go back to your channels, you can simply type a Giphy followed by a keyword in the chat box, and Giphy will offer a random selection of GIFs that match your search word. This handy feature means that whether you're in a serious discussion and need to lighten the mood, or just want to add a funny comment, you've got new tools at your fingertips. And there you have it. Now you can enhance your Slack experience with expressive, entertaining GIFs. Remember, the key to making the most of Slack is integrating useful apps like Giphy that make communication more engaging and fun. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing those GIFs.